Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain what are the steps for hacking system. Okay, so please like and subscribe. Okay, let's start. Information at hand before system hacking stage. Okay, so before beginning with system hacking, let's go over the phase you went through and the information you collected so far. Okay, so prior to this module we discussed. Okay, so first module is footprinting module. Okay, footprinting is the process of accumulating data regarding a specific network environment. Okay, usually, this technique is applied for the purpose of finding ways to intrude into the network environment. Okay, so footprinting can be used to attack system. It can be also used to protect it. Okay, in the footprinting phase, attacker creates a profile of the target organization with the information such as its IP addresses, range, net namespace, and employees web uses. Okay, so footprinting improves the easy with the system can be exploited by revealing system vulnerabilities. Okay, so determining the objective and location of an intrusion is the primary step involved in footprinting. Okay, so once the objective and location of an intrusion is known, by using non-intrusive method, specific information about the organization can be gathered. Okay, for example, the web page of the organization itself provide employee bios or personal directory, which the hacker can be used it for the social engineering to reach the objective. Okay, conducting a whois query on the web provides the associated network and domain names related to a specific organization. Okay, so this is the footprinting module. Next module is scanning module. Okay, scanning is a procedure for identifying active host on network, either for the purpose of the network security assessment for attacking them. Okay, in the scanning phase, attacker find information about the target assessment through its IP addresses that can be accessed over the internet. Okay, scanning is mainly concerned with the identification of system on a network and the identification of service running on each computer. Okay, some of the scanning procedure such as port scan, ping sweeps, written information about the service offered by the live host that are active on the internet and their IP addresses. Okay, the inverse mapping scanning procedure written the information about the IP addresses that do not map to the live host. This allows attacker to make supposition about the feasible addresses. Okay, so this is the scanning module. Okay, and last module is enumeration module. Okay, enumeration enumeration is the module of intrusion probing into the target assessment through which attacker gathered information such as network users list, routing tables, and simple network management protocol data. Okay, so this is significant because the attacker crosses over the target territory to unearth information about the network and shares users groups, application and banners. Okay, so the attacker objective is to identifying valid user account or group where he or she can remain inconspicuous once the system has been compromised. Okay, enumeration involves making active connection to the target system or subjecting it direct queries. Okay, normally alert and secure system will log such attempts. Often the information gathered is what the target might have made public, such as DNS addresses. Okay, so however, it is possible that the attacker stumble upon a remote IPC shares. Okay, so IPC dollar in Windows that can be probed with the null section, allowing shares and accounts to be enumerated. Okay, so these are the before hacking stage. Okay, thank you for watching.